Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Homezone app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Homezone is a smart home security app designed to work with Homezone security products such as cameras, floodlights, and doorbells. It allows users to view live footage, receive motion alerts, speak through two-way audio, and review recorded videos directly from their phone. The app also supports device grouping and remote management, making home monitoring simple and centralized. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The setup process is straightforward, and the app's interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Live streaming quality is generally good, and most users find motion alerts accurate and timely. Features like night vision, cloud playback, and remote access add to its utility, especially for users who travel or want 24/7 coverage. However, a few issues have been reported. Some users experience delays in video playback or connectivity drops, especially with multiple devices connected. Others mention limited cloud storage without a subscription and occasional app crashes during firmware updates. Additionally, the two-way audio can sometimes lag depending on the network. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Homezone is a solid choice for users looking to monitor their homes remotely with reliable alerts and video access. While it has a few minor limitations, its ease of use and smart integration features make it a good fit for basic home security needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.